Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hope you people are doing well. Gaurav, please check. Can you hear me? Can you unmute and just check if your mic is working?
Yes.
I don't want to repeat the same story again today.
Yes.
Okay, great. Ranmai, hi. I guess we are meeting for the second time, right, Ranmai?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rajat and Saloni, this is the first time you people are taking the session. Rajat, can you hear me, Rajat and Saloni?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Rajat. So this is a demo session for you, right?
Yes.
Okay. And Saloni, can you hear me? Saloni, if your mic is not working, at least put on chat. Okay, by the time she's getting connected. Okay, Akansha, hi, how are you? Second time, right, Akansha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hi, Darshan. Hope you are doing well. So, last two classes we started with calculation techniques. Okay, the first class we took the basic techniques for finding out the squares, square roots, and cube root. Right. This is what we did in the first class. Second class we played with percentages. So today's class is also based on calculation techniques only. Few techniques which are taken, I'll try to explain again for new people while we are solving the questions. Okay, and we'll try to focus more on the calculations. You might be thinking 3 classes we are doing just the calculation things only, but the thing over here is we have to do that because the fact is that you don't have calculators in the exams, right? If you're focusing on CT, if you're focusing on CAT, only CAT is such an examination where you have a calculator, which is online calculator. बट हम लोग बोलते हैं कि वो कैलकुलेटर यूज करने से इट्स बेटर आप आपका कैलकुलेशन कर लो वो फास्ट होता है दैट कैलकुलेटर इज रियली वेरी स्लो ओके सो कैलकुलेटर्स है नहीं all the exams are about speed and accuracy so it's better that we understand different techniques of doing calculations and we'll practice more over it so that at least आपका जो basic कभी कभी प्रॉब्लम आता है fractions को भी add करने जाते हो तो you people get confused. I really don't want those things to happen further when we are actually going to solve the questions based on the topics. Okay, so let me quickly share my screen to you. Just let me know if you people can see the open board. Can you see that? Is it visible to you?
Yes.
Okay, I'll directly move to the question. This is all about the theory. Don't worry, I'll put it on our WhatsApp group. Whatever we do, whatever slides we take, I'll always try to put it up on your WhatsApp group. Okay, so that at least you will. Yeah, anyone wants to say something? Rajit, I request you to mute because I guess आप earphones use नहीं कर रहे हो तो मेरा voice echo हो रहा है. Akansha, do one thing. Leave the session, join again. I'll wait for you. Akansha, leave the session, join.
Ma'am, actually I've resigned the session for 2 times, but I'm not properly here. There is some network issue.
Earphones है क्या आपके पास?
Sorry, ma'am, I'm not able to hear you.
Okay, I'll text you. Wait. Rajat, please mute, dear. Akansha, hope you got my message. Okay, people just a sec. One of your friend, Akansha is facing some issue with the network. Let's see if it gets resolved in a minute or two. Else we'll continue. Okay, by the time she joins, let's start with this calculations. So over here, you have calculations which are based on multiplication, based on squares, and based on cubes. Okay, so now we are going to work with these questions. Okay, but before that, what we will do is like we'll just try to connect back with the methods that we had taken. I hope you people remember. I guess Darshan was there for that session. Brunei, you were also there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Hope you remember the technique that we used. You?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's do those techniques also. And also we'll try to work with this multiplication numbers over here. So let's start with one method. So let's try to solve question number 1. So for question number 1, what we have to multiply 63 into 72. अब ये calculation orally होना चाहिए normally, but अगर मैं orally explain करूँगी आप लोग को नहीं समझेगा. So what I'm trying to do over here is I'll show you how to multiply these numbers using the mental maths technique. Okay, that is called as a Vedic maths also. Okay, so now when you have to multiply 2-digit number by a 2-digit number, how you normally do, this is the best way to do it. So what you can do is over here, first you do 2 3s are, this you have to do orally. Okay, just multiply the last 2 digits. What are the last 2 digits? 2 and 3. Just multiply them. What is the number that you get? 6. Okay, the next thing that you have to do is just multiply them in a cross. In a cross in the sense what? 6 2s are karo, दिमाग में रखो answer 12. 3 7s are, दिमाग में रखो answer 21. Okay, so 12 plus 21 कितना होगा ये number? 33. Yes or no? So we'll just write 3 and we'll carry forward 33 का जो 10th place का 3 था for the next operation. What is the next operation that you have to do? The next operation that you have to do is multiply the last 2, the 10th place number. 6 7s are 45. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3 will give me what number? 45. So what is your final answer that you will get over here? 4536. You can just cross check this with your calculator. Did you people understand what technique I did right now? This should be done orally. People, let me know. Speak up, unmute. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Varun, did you understand the method?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll practice few more questions like 2-digit number by 2-digit number, and then we'll move to 3-digit numbers. Okay. The next number we need to check is 88 times 93. Okay. So I'll write it in a horizontal way only now, because ऐसे ही देखोगे आप normally numbers. Normally आप ऐसा number देख के आप again you उतना लिखोगे और 2-3 seconds waste करोगे. We don't want that. So what is the first step that you have to do? We have to multiply the last 2 numbers. So 8 3s are how much? मैं भी कुछ भी नहीं लिखने वाली हूँ. आप लोग जो बोलोगे उतना ही मैं लिखूंगी. Tell me.
24.
24 and 2 carry for the next operation. What is the next operation that we have to do?
8 into 3 and 8 into 9.
8, this 8 into 3 and this 8 into 9, right? So 8 3s are 24, 8 9s are 72. What is 72 plus 24?
96.
96 और ये लास्ट ऑपरेशन का 2 बचा था वो भी ऐड करना पड़ेगा तो 98 carry 9 for the next operation. What is the next operation that we have to do now?
9 into 8.
Now this 8 and this 9 we have to do 10th place, 10th place. So it's like अब मैं यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ TU TU. So सबसे पहले आप क्या करते हो? U multiply करते हो. उसके बाद में TU TU. Okay, cross में multiply करते हो and finally आप 10th place को multiply करते हो. This is how you do it in 2-digit by 2-digit number. Okay, so we have like 8 9s are 72. 72 में ये 9 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. So when you try to add that 9 over here, what will you get?
81.
And finally your answer is 8184. Cross check कर लो आप लोग, कैलकुलेटर्स अगर होंगे मोबाइल फोन में या कुछ, या ऑनलाइन कैलकुलेटर पे भी चेक कर सकते हो. Any one of you who didn't understand the method? Everyone understood the method? Will you solve one question if I give you? Okay, give try for this question then. 76 times 52. Try it, do it orally, jitna ho sake, and tell me the answer. Let me know once you are done.
Done. 39. Done.
Okay, let's wait for everyone for the answer now. What's the answer, people?
3952.
3952. Let's check. पहले सबसे पहले करोगे 6 twos. What is 6 twos? 12. Carry 1. Now we have to do 7 twos and 6 fives. 7 twos are 14, 6 fives are 30. 30 and 14 will give us 44 plus 1, that is 45. Carry 4 now. Next that you have to do is 7 fives are 35. 35 plus 4 is 39. Did you people understand this?
Yes.
Yes.
Ranmai, Saloni, Darshan, you people gave me the answer. Rest
Yes,
of
ma'am.
Rajat and Gaurav, did you understand how to solve this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Let's take one more number so that I'll be confirmed with the whether you understood the method or no. So next number is 83 times 47. Do it. I'm waiting for your answers. Whenever you get the answers, put it in chat if you want, or just unmute yourself and let me know the answer.
$3901.
Okay. Let's wait for other people also. Okay, Pranay, taken your answer. Saloni, it's taken. Waiting for you, Gaurav and Rajat. I'm so sorry, people. Actually, there's one child who's just talking very loudly, and he's on the ground floor. Still, the voice is coming over here. If it is irritating, I have no option. I've actually closed the windows and everything, but still that voice is coming. I cannot help it now. Okay, so Gaurav, Saloni, Darshan, all of you gave me the same answer, and that's the correct one. Rajat, I didn't get the answer from you. Mrinmay, all of you all, the answer is correct. So Rajat, this one is for you. So सबसे पहले Rajat will do 3 sevens. Rajat, are you there? Rajat? Hello? Hello, Rajat, can you hear me? Okay, he's not there in the session. Fine. So people, did you understand this? Do you want me to solve this question again? Or is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now let's go to, can we do for 3-digit number by 3-digit number? Can I erase everything on the board right now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's go to 3-digit number by 3-digit number. So we have one question over here. The second question, 524 times 368. Again, here, there's a pattern that you have to follow. The first thing that you will do is this, 4 8s. Second step, you will do 2 8s and 6 4s. Third step, what you are going to see, I'm just showing you the pattern over here. That's the reason I'm writing them again and again. 5 8s, 3 4s, 2 6. Okay. And after this, you will do, ये अभी दिखता बड़ा है, बट जब आप ओरली करते हो ना बहुत क्विकली हो जाता है. ये क्रॉस में सॉल्व करना है और ये इतना पोर्शन सॉल्व करना है आपको. ओके, लेट्स डू इट स्टेप बाय स्टेप. सो वी हैव हाउ मेनी स्टेप? 1, दिस इज 2, दिस इज 3, दिस इज 4 एंड दिस इज 5. 5 स्टेप्स में हमारा आंसर आएगा 3-digit नंबर बाय 3-digit नंबर ओरली. ओके, ये एक बार पैटर्न दिमाग में बैठ गया, आप लोग के जो कैलकुलेशन है वो काफी क्विकली होंगे सॉल्व. ओके. The next one that we have with us is like 3 8s. Sorry, 4 8s करेंगे हम लोग. 4 8s, what is the number that we will get? 32, carry 3. Next step हमको क्या करना है? 2 8s, 6 4s. 2 8s कितना?
16.
16. 6 4s,
24.
24 plus 16.
38.
24 plus 16. What is the number that we will get? 24 plus 16.
40.
40. 40 or 30? Sorry,
40.
40. 24 plus 16 is 40. And ये 3 add करोगे तो 43. Now next carry is 4. Next operation में हमको क्या करना है? 5 8s, 3 4s, 2 6s और ये तीनों numbers को add करना है. Okay? So 5 8s are 40, 3 4s are 12, 2 6s are 12. So what is the final addition where that we will get?
64.
40 plus 12 plus 12, that is 40 plus 24, that is 64. And ये carry forward 4 था, वो भी add करना पड़ेगा, so 68. Now the next carry is 6. Further, you will do 5 6 and 2 3s. 5 6 30, 2 3 12. So we'll have 42 plus 6, that is will give us 48. And next carry is 4. Finally, we have to do 5 3s. What is 5 3s? Plus 4 will give us 198832. Understood? ये एक्सप्लेन कर रही थी इसलिए टाइम लग रहा था. एक बार आप प्रैक्टिस कर लोगे, आप खुद से करोगे तो यही क्वेश्चंस काफी फटाफट बनेंगे और आपको कम से कम लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, बिकॉज ये पैटर्न तो आपके दिमाग में एक बार फिट हो जाता है, तो ये थोड़ी ना आपको लिखना है. ये जो मैंने लिखा है, ये तो आप नंबर्स को यहीं पे देखोगे और इसके साथ में फिजिट करोगे. सो विल हार्डली सॉल्व दिस नंबर विद इन 10 to 12 seconds, not more than that. Got it? Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, great. So now let's go on to the 5th question. I want you people to solve the 5th question. Give it a try by this method and tell me the answer.
15370.
Perfect. I'm waiting for others also to give the answer. If you don't understand anything at any point of time, stop me there itself. I'll help you. Don't keep the doubts in your mind.
मैम
Yes, Mrinay.
वो लास्ट वाला जो था वो क्या किया एक बार फिर से बताओ ना लास्ट वाला
ये वाला fifth step, fourth and
हाँ
fifth.
हाँ
ओके मैं आपको है ना एक डायग्राम देती हूँ यहाँ पे. ये डायग्राम आप सबसे पहले आप लिख लो कहीं पे. सो सबसे पहले हम ये करेंगे.
ओके
Then we will do this. Okay.
ओके
Then we will do this. Everyone can just write down this pattern because your pattern based multiplication, right? Just a sec. It's just got stuck. 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. And last step, I'll write it over here. अभी clearly समझा मृन्मयी?
एक मिनट मैम मैं लिख रही हूँ
नहीं मैं erase नहीं कर रही. ये यहीं पे रहेगा.
ओके हाँ अब समझा मैम लास्ट वाला
वो वहाँ पे थोड़ा खिचड़ी हो गया था उसके वजह से नहीं समझा होगा मैं भी. Yeah. Try to work now.
यस
Gaurav, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Saloni, that's the correct one, dear. ये मेथड के बाद मैं आपको एक और मेथड बताती हूँ. That is also more easy method. Okay. Just solve this much and then I'll help you with one more method over here. Done, Mrinmay? Gaurav, that's the correct one. Rajat, I'm not getting answers from you. Are you understanding what I'm trying to explain? Can
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Yeah, in between you just got disconnected. I was trying to connect with you, but you just got disconnected here.
Yes, network problem.
Okay. So let's do this by this method only, what we did. Okay. And after that, let's switch to another method. Okay. That method is a versatile method which you can use it for any digit number. Okay. So now 106 into 145. Okay. So when we want to multiply this, the first thing that we have to do is 6 5s are correct. So what is 6 5s are 30? Carry 3 for the next operation. Next, what we will do 0 into 5 and 6 4s are 0 5s are 0. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 will give me 27. Next carry would be 2. Okay. After this, what we have to do, I'll just erase this only. Go with the pattern that we have used. This is the next step that we have to do. So, सब कुछ cross में multiply करना है आपको. Okay. So, 1 3s are 3, 6 1s are 6, 0 4s are 0. ये तीनों numbers को add करना है. 3 6 0 मतलब कितना मिलता है 9. And 9 में आपको क्या add करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे 2, right? Hello. This number is 3. Okay. I made a mistake. This is 5. Yes. This is 5. I'm so sorry, people. This is 5. So it will be like 5 1s are, 6 1s are, and 4 zeros are. So 5 plus क्या करना आपको 6, that is 11. और ये 2 carry forward था, last operation था, वो आपको add करना है. So you will get the number over here as 13. Carry, next carry is 1. Next calculation, go with the fourth step in the diagram that I have shown you. So we'll multiply these two numbers in cross. So ये तो वैसे भी 0 हो जाएगा, 1 zeros are, 1 4s are 4. 4 में 1 carry forward, that is 5. And finally 1 1s are 1. कितना आया answer? 15,370. Understood, Rajat?
Yes.
Okay. Now, there is one more method जिसके साथ आप work कर सकते हैं. Can I erase this? Can I
यस
erase this? Yeah. Now see, whenever you have some numbers near 100, 10, 1000, जैसे 106 and 145. Can I see 100 के 106? Can I write this number is nothing but 100 plus 6? Can I do this?
Yes.
And इसको अगर आप multiply करोगे 145 के साथ में, now 100 and 145 when you multiply, वो तो simple number है 14500, right? Yes or no? अब सिर्फ multiply क्या करना है 6 और 145. ये आप orally भी कर सकते हो, like 6 5s you can write 30, 3 carry, 27, 2 carry and 8, and finally सिर्फ add करना है. When you try to add, what is the addition that you get? Is it the same number that we are going to get? That was क्या आया था हमारा आंसर? और let's just
15370.
15370 मैच हो रहा है आंसर? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, this was also one more method. In fact, ये वाला तो ज़्यादा easy है. Even आप normal multiplication भी करते हो. If you don't know the table, let's say आपको करना है 29 times 6. Table तो पता नहीं है 29 का, right? How many of you know table still 20? Quickly. Anyone? Please do it. At least table still 20. It's a prerequisite. करोगे आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा. I know बचपन से सब लोग बोलते हैं आपको कि tables करो, फिर भी यहाँ तक पहुंच गए हो. But seriously, trust me, अभी थोड़ा tables पे आपको करना पड़ेगा. Don't think कि अभी तक तो without tables काम चला गया तो अभी भी काम चल जाएगा. अभी नहीं चलेगा. चल जाएगा, but then ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि वो tables नहीं पता, उसकी वजह से आपके calculation slow हो गए. Okay? Now, whenever you have this type of question, like 29 into 6, what you can do? Break the number. Can I write this number as 20 into, 20 plus 9? Yes. 26 are 120. 9 6 are 54. So, final answer is 174. Easily आ गया answer?
Yes.
Yeah. Similarly, we'll solve this question, third question together. Okay. What's the third question? It is 426 into 54. Okay. So what we will do is 426. Can we write 54 is nothing but 50 plus 4? Can we do it?
Yes.
Further, can I write this 50 is nothing but 100 upon 2? ये हमने last class में देखा था. You remember multiplication by base 50 है, तो हम लोग 50 से भी multiply नहीं करते हैं. And हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे 100 upon 2. समझ में आ रहा है? 50 can be written as 100 upon 2. ये क्यों किया? Because 100 के साथ multiplication is more easy, right? And उसका half करना है. So 426 into 100 upon 2 जब आप करोगे तो 426 का आधा करो. Just add 2 zeros after that. So what do you get when you do this?
213.
21300. Can I directly write this version?
W
Yeah.
plus 4.
Plus 4 नहीं.
426
Let's
into 4.
multiply now. Yeah, 426 into 4, that will be 24. 2 carry, 10, 1 carry. And then we have to just add these numbers. Yes or no? So when you try to add them up, what is the number that you are getting? 23004. Correct me if I'm wrong. Add it and check it. Did you people get this? How did we multiply the numbers?
No, ma'am.
गौरव कहाँ से समझ में नहीं आया डियर?
From that 100 up to.
अच्छा गौरव 50 can be written as 100 upon 2. बराबर ना? So गौरव, let's say अगर मुझे करना है 426 into 100 upon 2. Upon 2 मतलब क्या कर रहा है? 426 का half, right?
Divide by 2.
2 कितना होगा? रजत, please mute yourself here because सबका voice echo हो रहा है. I guess आप earphones नहीं use कर रहे हो रजत.
Yes.
Yeah, so Rajat, keep yourself muted. अगर कुछ बोलना है तभी unmute करो खुद को. Okay, Gaurav, back to the number. 426 का what is half of 426, Gaurav?
213.
Sorry?
213.
Okay, 213. And what is this basically 100 upon ये हमने already कर दिया. अभी into 100 करोगे तो कितना आएगा? 21300.
Yes, got it.
Got it? Yeah.
Yes.
Saloni, I'm so sorry, I didn't understand your message here. just check it. I guess you need to send it to किसको आप send करो, please check it, Saloni. Okay. So people, did you understand the tricks of multiplication?
Yes.
Okay, great. Saloni,
Good evening, ma'am.
I am host and Soil sir is co-host. Send it to Soil sir, that is co-host. Okay. I guess वो by mistake आप send कर दिया आपने. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Pranita, ma'am.
Yes, Soil sir, बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I just saw that I guess Rajat and Saloni, those are very much new for the class today.
Yeah. I know them.
Yeah. So I just want that, you can just put me in my personal chat that like from where did you get the link and you are from which background. So that, and also you mention your mobile number so that, for further details and to get the regular links, we can help you for that.
I hope Rajat
Is
and
it okay,
Saloni.
Rajat and Saloni?
Saloni has sent me the
Yes, ma'am.
number. Saloni, please send it back to the co-host, not host, co-host. Rajat, even your background, your number, please send it to co-host. Okay. So let's
Okay,
go
fine.
further with the squares technique. So sir, can I continue now?
Sorry?
Can I continue? Done. हो गया, formalities
Yes, yes.
done.
Ha.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. So last class we did the squaring methods, right? But there are few people who are not there in the last class. So for them, I'll just repeat one basic method, and surely I'll be, making you understand the other methods also slowly. So don't worry, and even we have the recorded sessions available. So if you want, you will just get the recordings and you can go through that session, because जो चीज हमने पूरे session में किया है, वो अब मुझे explain करना time थोड़ा, उसमें चला जाएगा, and it will be repetition for the people who have already attended. So जिनका नहीं हुआ है उनका मैं वापस ले लूंगी, and any which ways आपका कुछ miss नहीं होगा. It's just that the basic method I'll help you right now. Okay. Now 86 का square will work with the base method. If you remember, Darshan, Rinmay, you were there for that session.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now this is for everyone. I'm going to take this base method again. Let's say अगर मुझे 97 का square निकालना है. 97 is near to which number, Gaurav? ऐसा कौन सा number है जिसके साथ आप
100.
ही play कर सकते हो?
100 minus 3.
Perfect, Gaurav. पता है आपको ये method या recording सुना था?
नहीं.
Acha, very good if you know the method. So 97 is how much, more or less than 100? It is 3 less than 100. So what you have to do is subtract 3 from 97. Once you subtract 3 from 97, you get the number as 94. In the next step, what you do is you multiply this number by the base. What is the base that we have taken? 100. So multiplying by 100 is actually just adding 2 zeros after that number. Okay. Once done, the next step is ये जो भी plus या minus यहाँ पे किया है उसको square करो और वो square आप यहाँ पे add करो. So 3 का square is 9. Okay, you square this number and then you add it, and final answer that you get is 9409. So you have to play with the base. Okay, I'll help you with few numbers over here. Let's say अब मुझे 86 का square निकालना है. Okay, so okay, who will help me? Saloni, can you unmute? Is it possible to unmute, Saloni? Because you are giving all your answers in chat, so that's why I'm asking you. Is it possible to unmute? Okay, I guess. Fine. Rinmay, will you help me with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and Rinmay, first of all, am I pronouncing your name correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So over here, okay, Saloni, taken. No problem. So Rinmay, 86 का square, कौन सा base लूँ Rinmay?
100, ma'am.
और कितना कम या ज्यादा 86 100 से?
-14.
Okay, 86 में से 14 गया, कितना बचा Rinmay?
72
परफेक्ट। 72 में क्या करूं मैं आगे?
into 100
हाँ, तो कितना हो जाएगा ये?
7200।
करेक्ट। उसमें अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा?
अभी 14 का स्क्वायर ऐड करना पड़ेगा।
राइट। व्हाट इज 14 का स्क्वायर? मैंने बोला था लर्न करना 20 तक स्क्वायर। ओके, एनीवन 14 का स्क्वायर?
196.
Add them up, and what is the final answer that we will get over here?
7396.
96. Perfect. Great, Vrindan. Okay. Okay. Now who will help me? गौरव हेल्प करोगे नेक्स्ट
Yes.
नंबर के लिए?
Yes, yes.
ओके गौरव, लेट्स गो। 113 कैसे करें?
100 plus 13.
नहीं, 113 में आप
100 minus 13.
माइनस नहीं बेटा, प्लस।
Plus 13.
माइनस क्यों किया था? क्योंकि वो नंबर्स कम थे। 113 100 से 13 बड़ा है ना, तो आप क्या करोगे यहाँ पे? प्लस। ये
Plus.
समझा कब प्लस करना और कब माइनस?
Hmm.
ओके, कितना है ऐड करके?
126.
ओके, इसमें भी नेक्स्ट क्या मल्टीप्लाई करोगे गौरव?
100.
जो बेस था आपका, राइट? मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद क्या नंबर मिलता है आपको?
12600.
करेक्ट। इसमें भी हमको क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा गौरव?
13 square.
यस। सो व्हाट इज स्क्वायर ऑफ 13 पता है?
169.
करेक्ट गौरव। एंड व्हाट विल बी द फाइनल आंसर नाउ?
12,769.
That's the perfect one. Okay. Just see this. Do you people think this is really a very nice method wherein you can do such big calculations within some seconds? I won't
Yes.
say minutes also. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. Great. Darshan, next वाला help करोगे please?
Yes.
दर्शन बोलेगे 35 मुझे ही मिलना था।
No, easy हो 5. Last में 5 तो 25.
Yes, yes.
5 5 तो 25.
Yes. So दर्शन, बट ये वाले मेथड से करते हैं, बेस वाले मेथड से हेल्प करो, बिकॉज अगेन वो मेथड 2-3 लोगों को नहीं पता है। क्या बेस ले दर्शन? दर्शन बेस क्या लो? दर्शन, you're not audible here. Hello. 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 Darshan, you're not audible. If you can hear me, just leave the session and connect back again. Yeah, or else just try to mute your mic and unmute it again. People, let's just wait for 1 or 2 minutes for him to join again. Okay, by the time he is joining, what should be the base over here? क्या base लेना चाहिए? Yes, anyone can unmute and answer me. I hope you people can hear me.
Yes,
क्या लूँ मैं base?
100.
Okay, let's take it 100. 100 में क्या करेंगे? 135 is 35 more than 100. So what we have to do over here? We'll add 35 over here. Once you add 35, what do you get?
170
170 में what you have to multiply?
into 100.
Yes, into 100. So what is the number that we will get? 17000.
Yes.
Okay. Now after this, we want 35 का square and we want to add it over here. Now 35 का square कैसे find करें? एक ट्रिक बताती हूँ आपको। To find the squares of the number ending with 5. 5 का square होता है 25. 15 का square होता है 225. 25 का स्क्वायर है 625। कुछ ऑब्जर्व किया आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे? 25 25 25 रिपीट हो रहा है। तो जैसे ही आपको दिखता है नंबर इज एंडिंग विद 5, आप लास्ट में 25 लिख दो। ओके, पहले क्या नंबर लिखना है? अगर 2 है तो 2 के बाद में आपके नंबर सीरीज में कौन सा नंबर आता है? 3। So
3.
2 into 3 करो, 2 3s are 6. 1 के बाद में क्या आता है? 1 2s are 2. समझ में आ रहा है? So similarly अगर मुझे 35 का स्क्वायर निकालना है, 25 लिख दिया, उसके बाद में यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? 3 into 4 which is 12. Understood this? And finally you get the answer as 18225. Got it?
Yes.
रजत समझ में आया डियर?
Yes.
Great. Okay. So now let's solve the next one. Rajat help करोगे next question के साथ? 9996.
Yes.
बोलो क्या करें? क्या बेस ले? अभी 100 बेस के साथ तो नहीं वर्क कर सकते है ना रजत?
Yes. 10,000 base.
Okay, great. So we'll take the base as 10,000. 996, 9,996 कितना कम या ज्यादा है 10,000 से?
-4.
-4. So यहाँ पे से हम लोग -4 कर देंगे. So what is the number that we will get over here?
992
Multiply करूँ मैं?
into 10,000.
Yeah, so I'll just add 4 zeros over here. And finally, what I have
Yes.
to add, Rajat?
Square of 4.
That is 16. So your final answer is 99920016. Just imagine people 4-digit number ka square. You are finding out in few seconds. Yes? Interesting?
Yes.
Yeah. So over here, what is the answer that we will write? 99920016. Okay. Next, 989. Solve this people on your own and tell me the final answer. 989 का आंसर क्या आएगा?
Nine seven eight one two one.
Okay, so you are saying the number is 978.
121.
121. Yeah, that's the answer. I have complete answer. I'll wait till सबका answer आता है. Saloni, put it in chat. आपका answer. Oh, I'm so sorry, Saloni. I just saw your message. It's okay, dear. You can just answer this message now. You can just answer this question by putting it in chat. That's the correct one, Gaurav. Darshan, is that you? Hello? Yes, Saloni, that's the correct one. Okay, so everyone understood the squaring method? Everyone understood the squaring method?
Yes.
Yeah, great. Okay, now this cubing, we will see every class we are going to do some or the other calculation trick. So cubing the trick, I'll explain. I really don't want you burden yourselves with many methods. So जितना होता है उतना practice करते चलो. Okay, now let's go on to something else. और क्यूबिंग बहुत रेयर केस में कभी तो करने आता है, आता भी नहीं है और आता भी है तो बहुत रेयर केस में आता है, बट स्टिल आई विल हेल्प यू विद द शॉर्टकट. अगर याद रहता है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, अदरवाइज इट इज नॉट दैट नेसेसरी. ओके, बट स्क्वायर्स मोस्टली आते हैं. Let me just okay, it's taking time to navigate to the next screen. Just give me a minute or so. By the time anyone any doubt can tell me. I don't know why it stopped working. Just a second, people. Just give me a moment. I need to open that again. Okay. Last class, Darshan was there, Gaurav was there, and we did something like fractions and uske equivalent percentages. Okay, let's quickly revise there. Okay, so people, am I audible to you? Hello? Okay. So मैंने last class में एक table लिखवाया था. I'm writing the table again. I want you people to write down the table with me, and as well as I'll explain you what it is exactly. So 1/2 fraction जब हम लिखते हैं, इसका equivalent percentage क्या होता है? 50%. 50% जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि find 50% of 80. तो आपने क्या किया? उसका half find किया? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Similarly, अगर मुझे किसी का 1/4 निकालना है कोई नंबर का, so what I'm doing, I'm just doing 25% of that number. Okay, 1/8. Just go through the recording once, okay, for the people who missed the last session. And don't worry, Rajat Saloni, you didn't miss any session. It will be taken in the cover-up part. Okay. So 1/8 is nothing but half of 1/4. So half of 25 कितना हो जाएगा? 12.5. Okay. Next. Similarly, 1/16 क्या होगा? Half of 12.5, which is what number? 6.25%. Okay. ये हुआ 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/6 का story. Next story is about 1/3. अभी के लिए ये numbers as it is लिख लो, और ये आपको learn करना है, जैसे आप tables learn कर रहे हो. ये बहुत important चीज है, because पूरा DI section इसके ऊपर है. Percentages, profit and loss, compound interest, simple interest, ये सारे topics पूरे इसके ऊपर based है. अगर ये नहीं आया तो वो सारे topics में आपके सारे questions slowly solve होंगे, which we cannot afford. Okay, so 1/3 is equal to 33.33%. 1/6 is half of 1/3, and therefore half of 33.33 is 16.67%. उसके बाद में आता है 1/12, जो 1/6 का half है. So this is 8.33%. Okay. इसके बाद में let's see, अगर मुझे लिखना है 1/9. 1/9 is 11.11%. 1/11 is equal to 9.09%. Okay. उसके बाद में 1/7 is equal to 14.28%. ये आपको थोड़ा याद करना पड़ेगा. 9 and 11 ये दोनों भाई भाई है, राइट? अगर आप देखते हो 1/9 आया तो 11.11, 1/11 आया तो 9.09, मतलब उन दोनों के सिर्फ रेसिप्रोकल्स आपको चेंज करने हैं. ओके. 1/7 का स्टोरी चेक करो. 7 का डबल 14, 14 का डबल 28. सो ये जस्ट ट्रिक्स है याद रखने के. ओके, बट ये लर्न तो करना ही पड़ेगा. यू डोंट हैव ऑप्शन. इसके बाद कुछ नहीं लर्न करने बोलूंगी, सिर्फ टेबल्स करो. स्क्वायर्स अप टू 20, टेबल्स अप टू 20, और ये जो आज लिख रहे हैं हम लोग अभी, वो लर्न करना है. दैट्स इट. इसके बाद में कभी मैं आपको बोलूंगी भी नहीं कि फॉर्मूलाज लर्न करो, क्योंकि अगर आपने ये सब लर्न कर लिया तो फॉर्मूलाज लर्न करने की कभी भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. ओके. Next number, I guess we have covered everything. 1/10 is equal to 10%. 1/20 is equal to 5%. 1/5 is equal to 20%. Okay. After that, most of the main numbers we have covered up. Okay. Using this table, we'll try to solve question number 16. Okay. Now, how to solve question number 16? 3/5 का इक्विवेलेंट परसेंट चाहिए. व्हाट इज 1/5 का इक्विवेलेंट परसेंटेज? आपके सामने है, बताओ मुझे क्या है 1/5? 20%. सो अगर मुझे 3/5 लाना है, मतलब मैंने क्या किया, ये वाले फ्रैक्शन में क्या मल्टीप्लाई किया? 3. अगर फ्रैक्शन में 3 मल्टीप्लाई किया, मतलब ये नंबर में भी मुझे क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 3. So can I say 3/5 कितना हो जाएगा? 23 is 60%. Yes or no? ये समझ में आ रहा है क्या आप लोगों को? और अगर आप नॉर्मल वे में भी सॉल्व करते हो ना, लाइक 3/5 is what percent? इसको सॉल्व करो, 5 1s 5 20s, आंसर आता है 60%. बट ये सब अवॉइड करने के लिए हम लोग ये टेबल्स कर रहे हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट 2/7, 2/7 के लिए कौन सा फ्रैक्शन यूज करूँ गौरव?
1/7.
ग्रेट, 1/7 कितना है गौरव?
14.28.
तो 2/7 कितना होएगा? क्या करना पड़ेगा 2/7 फाइंड करने के लिए?
Into 2.
इंटू 2। ग्रेट, सो 14.28 इंटू 2 किया तो कितना मिलेगा मुझे? लास्ट बोलो नंबर। 1 5 देन
28.
28.56%। करेक्ट गौरव। ओके मृन्मयी, 5/12 कौन से फ्रैक्शन के साथ वर्क करूं?
1/12
कितना 1/12 मृन्मयी?
8.33
ओके, इसमें क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें हम लोग? सो 5/12 मिलेगा।
multiply by 5
ओके, 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद में व्हाट इज द नंबर दैट आई विल गेट?
40.33 एक मिनट मैम
5 3s are 15, 1 16 1 41.65%। समझ में आया? ओके रजत, 3/11
1/11
ओके 1/11 कितना है रजत?
9.09
ग्रेट, क्या मल्टीप्लाई करूं रजत इसमें अभी?
into 3
नंबर
7
कैन आई डायरेक्टली राइट 27.27?
yes
Yes. Okay, next one. Darshan, if you can now unmute, if you can now speak. If your mic is working properly now, check it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
5/8. How should I do this, Rajat?
Into 5. 12.5%.
I want, how did you do it? 1/8?
1/8 into
12.5, right?
yes,
So you multiply this number by what?
5.
5. When you try to multiply, what do you get? Correct, na?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
सबको समझ में आया ये? Anyone, any doubt? Saloni, did you understand this? Okay, great. Now I want you people to solve question number 17, A, B and C. So basically इसमें से आपको find करना है which number is greater, which number is less or equal to. आपको ये signs यहाँ पे fill in the blank करना है, like 2/3, which sign you will put over here, and 3/5 है यहाँ पे. You can do this using this method of percentages. सबके equivalent percentages निकालो and accordingly put the sign. I'm just muting myself. Put your, once you get the answer, put your answers onto the chat. Okay, I give you 5 minutes for these 3 questions. Solve. Okay, I got answers from Darshan, Gaurav, Saloni. Waiting from Ranmay and Rajat. By the way, Gaurav, you are targeting which exam, dear?
CET.
Okay, and Saloni, you are targeting which exam? Okay, Saloni. Right now you are in the second year or third year, Saloni? Okay.
मैम
Yes.
मेरा हो गया है पर वो टाइप नहीं हो रहा है तो मैं ऐसे ही बता देती
चलो देखते हैं 2/3 मतलब कितना परसेंट होएगा 1/3 33.33 है तो 2/3 कितना रहेगा 66.66 ओके
Yes.
3/5 कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे 1/5 इज 20 सो 3/5 कितना आएगा 60 मतलब कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है 2/3
यस
ओके नेक्स्ट 1/5 1/7 1/5 कितना होता है 20 और 1/7 कितना होता है
14.18
मतलब ये बड़ा हो गया करेक्ट नेक्स्ट 2/6 3/8 1/6 इज ये 2/6 को मैं 1/3 कर दूं क्या और इजी हो गया now 1/3 is 33.33 and 3/8 कितना है 1/8 कितना होता है 12.5 right so 12.5 3 करोगे कितना मिलेगा 36 point something मिलेगा yes or no पता नहीं क्या है और इतना पता करने की जरूरत नहीं है 33 से बड़ा है साइन ही डालना है so can we put this sign over here now so your answer should be पहले दो का ये साइन है उसके बाद में लेस देन साइन है अंडरस्टूड दिस एवरीवन आई होप जिनका जिनका जो जो रॉन्ग हुआ है वो समझ में आया क्या रॉन्ग हुआ है ओके चलो एनीवन एनी डाउट विद दिस कैन आई मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड Okay, now these are the calculations that we have to perform. What is the value of 39,856 into 139? क्या लगता है आपको कैसे करना चाहिए ये? Tell me the method. How should we do this? Yes, people think and let me know. And options भी है आपके सामने. Mind where you have the options in front of you. Think over it. Square last 2 digit का मुझे नहीं समझा सलोनी. We have to multiply a number by 139. Rather than multiplying by 139, do we have any other shortcut method that you people can think of? Can I write 139 as some another number? जिससे multiplication ज़्यादा easy हो जाएगा.
100 plus 39.
But फिर मुझे 39 से multiply करना पड़ेगा रजत. 39 का टेबल नहीं आता है हम लोग को. Okay. अब यहाँ पे 139 either you can make it like 140 minus 1. ठीक है, -1 करना मतलब सेम नंबर लिखोगे, बट उसके लिए 14 का टेबल पता होना चाहिए. How many of you know 14 का टेबल? Do you people know 14 का टेबल? अच्छा नहीं पता है. और क्या ऑप्शन है हमारे पास ऐसे 140 minus 1 किया, ऐसा और कोई ऑप्शन जिसका टेबल भी आपको पता है? Can we do it 150 minus 11?
Yes.
क्योंकि 15 का टेबल तो सबको पता है ना. Yes. तो बेसिकली हमको क्या करना है, वो नंबर को 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, देन हमको उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. समझ में आया ये शॉर्टकट? So what you have to do? First you have to multiply 39856 into 150. Okay, and उसके बाद में 39856 into 11. दोनों numbers find करो, subtract करो and tell me the final answer. Also, once you're done with this question, you have to solve question number 2. Question number 2 mein what you have to do is solve these calculations, okay? And you have to find out 3 answers same रहेंगे, एक answer odd one out है. You have to find which one is that odd one out. So for both the questions, again I give you ये ज़्यादा calculations है. So I give you let's say 7 minutes for this, okay? इसको 2 minutes भी ज़्यादा दे रही हूँ मैं और इसको 5 minutes. So I'm giving you the extreme time. Let's do it on timer. It is 5:05 right now. 5:12 we'll check the answers. I'm just muting myself so that आप लोग को disturb नहीं होगा. I'm here only. If you find something difficult, tell me. Saloni, that's the correct one. There is a shortcut to solve question number 2. Question number 2 में पूरे calculations नहीं करने हैं. Just think about that shortcut. अगर मुझे बोला होता ये question solve करने के लिए, it shouldn't have taken more than 30 to 40 seconds for question number 2 also. Try to find the shortcut over here. You have to find odd one out, Rajat, in question 2. Okay, Saloni and Rajat, your question number 1's answer is correct. Okay, people, time up. Let's check. Question number 1 आया क्या? बाकी लोगों को?
Yes.
Yes. So what's the option? Option B आया सबका?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, और मैंने वहाँ पे ट्रिक भी बता दिया था normal calculation से. Now what is the shortcut in question number 2? Anyone? किसी ने कोई बता सकता है क्या shortcut है वो? Okay. Now जब इतने बड़े numbers है वो लोग भी नहीं expect कर रहे ना कि आप लोग ये वाले question को 4 या 5 मिनट लगाओ. अगर CT दे रहे हो एक question को 1 ही मिनट लगता है. So they are checking your smartness over there. They're not checking कि आप कितने अच्छे हो calculation. I mean कितना calculations आप कर सकते हो नहीं. They're just checking your smartness. So just pick up the units place of it. Okay. Now let's say अगर मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा 24 into 6. Okay. मैंने options दिया आपको. कोई तो number है ending with 4. Okay. मुझे तो पता भी नहीं इसका multiplication क्या आने वाला है. So I don't know. A option में I'm ending the answer by 4. B option I'm ending by 2. C option I'm ending by 3. And D option I'm ending it by 1. What do you think? What will be the answer over here?
A.
बोला आपने because आपने क्या किया सिर्फ last digit multiply किया, right? Just apply it over here. Now option A में क्या करना है? So you have to do 1 plus मैं सिर्फ last digit ले रही हूँ, units digit के साथ play कर रही हूँ. 1 plus 7 into 5 minus 6. Board mass apply करो. पहले multiplication होता है, पहले addition मत करो. 7 5 से कितना?
35.
उसका भी सिर्फ 5 लेंगे हम लोग. Okay? Now why 5 we are taking? Because हमको सिर्फ last digit चाहिए. ये समझ में आ रहा है सबको what I'm doing over here?
Yes.
Okay, so 1 plus 5, 6. 6 minus 6. Can I say answer पता नहीं, but this answer is going to end with which number? 0. ये समझा सबको?
Yes.
Okay, let's do the next one, option B. So what we have to do in option B? 4 minus 9 plus 5 into 5. पहले मल्टीप्लीकेशन करोगे 5 5 से 25 एंड 5 ना 4 minus 9 तो पॉसिबल नहीं है, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं कैरी फॉरवर्ड करोगे ये 14 minus 9 बनेगा ना, जो भी आपका बनेगा नंबर, तो 14 minus 9 कितना हो जाएगा
5.
5, right? So now what you will do next?
5.
5 plus 5, what you are getting 5 plus 5 again?
10.
मतलब
Zero.
0 आ रहा है एंड में, yes or no?
Yes.
ये समझ में आ रहा है कि आप लोग को मैं ये क्या कर रही हूँ? Anyone still confused? Let me know. Let's do with option C. तो ऑप्शन सी में क्या करना पड़ेगा 8 और यहाँ पे into 5, ओके, माइनस 6 प्लस 4, 8 5 लास्ट में 0, 6 प्लस 4 लास्ट में 0, 0 माइनस 0 क्या दे रहा है, वो 0 ही दे रहा है. Just check it out. नहीं, यहाँ पे इफ यू गो विद दिस थिंग बॉड मास ना, ये 0 आएगा, 0 माइनस 6 प्लस 4 जाएगा ये. So what will be the number that we are getting? There is a mistake over here with the main copy. यहाँ पे brackets नहीं है. Just remove the brackets over here. Don't consider the brackets. Now if we solve it without the brackets, what do you think? What will be the answer? Will it be 0 minus 6 plus 4? And by the way, यहाँ पे अगर आप करते हो तो यहाँ पे 8 5 0 है, right? So what do you think? What will be the answer over here now? Will it be 0? Will it end with 0? Will it end with 0?
-2.
-2 मतलब बेसिकली -2 में लिखेंगे, कैरी फॉरवर्ड होके वो 8 कुछ तो आएगा, राइट? मतलब ये नंबर 0 से एंड नहीं हो रहा है. लेट्स चेक द लास्ट वन. 4 plus 6 5 and 2. So what you will get? 4 plus 6 plus 5 into 2. लास्ट में क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? 5 2s are
0.
आया
Zero.
0. That means which is the odd one out over here? Option. ये समझा सबको ये क्या कैलकुलेशंस किए हम लोगों ने?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone any doubts up till now?
No.
Okay. Now question number 3 and 4 we are not doing it right now because these are based on successive percentage ka method which we have not taken. We'll do this when we will do percentages ka proper topic. Okay. So as of now we are keeping this away. The next one now. Even this one is based on successive percentages. So, okay. Now you have to find out the percentages over here. I'll help you with one number. Rest 3 questions you will have to perform. Okay. So first question, 283 is what percent of 1983? How to find the answer over here? आप लोग कैसे करते हो? How do you people do this calculation? Tell me. ये अगर आपको दिया तो आप लोग क्या करोगे यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन में? गौरव, what you will do? What you will do? Am I audible? Hello? 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 People, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. तो आप लोगों को बोला तो आप कैंसिलेशन वाले मेथड्स यूज करते हो, राइट? बट बहुत सी बार ऐसे भी होता है कि कैंसिलेशंस पॉसिबल नहीं है. In that case, I'll be teaching you one method right now. So what you have to do is take the denominator as the base. Okay? ये base के हम कुछ percentages calculate करते हैं. Now for an example, what is 10% of 1983? Can anyone tell me कितना रहेगा 10%? 10% मतलब क्या होता है?
198.3.
So this will be 198.3. ये समझा क्या सबको? 198.3 क्यों आया है?
Yes.
Okay. Now आपका जो नंबर है वो नंबर क्या है आपका? 283, राइट? मतलब और आपको 10% कितना मिला है? 198.3. आपको कहाँ तक पहुंचना है? 283 तक. Yes or no? Basically, now over here, can we say हमारा जो आंसर वो 10% से थोड़ा ज्यादा होगा? Right?
Yes.
Now we have to find कितना ज्यादा होगा. Okay? So basically, हम लोग कितना दूर है 283 से? Can we find out that difference? 283 minus 198. कितना दूर है हम लोग?
85.
We are 85 away from our exact answer, right? तो अभी हमको फाइंड करना है कि 85 1983 का कितना परसेंट है. Okay, for that what we will do is we'll find 1% of 1983. What is 1% of 1983?
19.83.
19.83. or else can I say 20? Approximate कर लो 20. अब 20 में ऐसा क्या मल्टीप्लाई करोगे कि आप 85 तक पहुंच सकते हो? 4. मतलब कैन आई से अगर मैंने 4% निकाल लिया ये नंबर का, तो ये नंबर बेसिकली क्या बनेगा? आई रीच नियर 80. मतलब 4 से थोड़ा और रहना चाहिए मेरा नंबर. अब आप ऑप्शंस को देखो और ये कैलकुलेशंस को देखो. 10 से थोड़ा ज्यादा किया हम लोगों ने, 4 तक पहुंचे. इन दोनों को अगर ऐड किया मैंने 198 प्लस 80, कैन आई से मैं ये नंबर तक पहुंच गई. अगर इन दोनों को ऐड किया तो ये दोनों को भी ऐड करना पड़ेगा. दैट मींस 14% is almost equivalent to 198.3. that is like you add the numbers, what do you get? 273 के आसपास आपको मिलेगा. दैट मींस आप कौन सा ऑप्शन मार्क करोगे? 14.15 या 14.3? think and then give me the answer. Which option you will select? 14 पे दो ऑप्शंस है हमारे पास, एक 15 भी और एक 3 भी है.
Okay.
14.15 कुछ कम नहीं लग रहा है आप लोग को? आप लोग को एग्जैक्ट हम लोग 83 तक पहुंचे नहीं है ना? Yes or no? We just reached at 73. So can we say approximate? थोड़ा सोच के answer has to be option B. समझ में आया क्या ये? I'll take one more question with you people. Let's say we'll solve question number 3 now. First of all, can I write this number is nothing but 1271? Just a second. मुझे ये points adjust करना है. How to adjust the points? Points नहीं चाहिए मुझे, तो number क्या रहेगा?
127.29.
Correct ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. अभी हम लोग को परसेंटेज फाइंड करना है. सारे परसेंटेज ऑप्शंस में क्या है? 40 के आसपास के परसेंटेजेस है सारे. So can we find 10% of the denominator? That is 10% of 2950. कितना आएगा ये? What is 10%? 295. Correct? 10% मतलब क्या होता है? 1/10 of 2950. तो वो 0 एक कट हो जाता है and you are left with what number? 295. ये समझा सबको? People अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा प्लीज लेट मी नो. ओके, अब हमने ऑप्शंस देखे सारे 40s के रेंज में. सो कैन वी डायरेक्टली फाइंड 40% ऑफ दिस नंबर. 40% फाइंड करने के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? ये 10 को 40 बनाया है, तो कैन वी मेक दिस 295 into to get this number? Can we do this? I want an interactive session. I really don't want people who are just okay, Saloni, I just saw your message right now. I'm trying to explain with another question. Is it okay? Just reply me on the chat. Okay, fine. So Saloni over here, you can just answer the questions in the chat. I'll just ask you very simple questions right now. Okay. So Saloni, tell me, like, I got 10% of a number. Okay, and I want to find out 40% of the same number. What do you think? What should I do? I should multiply the number by what? 4. Because 10 से 40 जाना है, तो what I'm doing is I'm multiplying it by 4. Yes or no, Saloni? So when we try to multiply this number by 4, what will happen? What is the number that we are going to get? 5 4s are 20, 2 carry 38, 3 carry 1180. Yes or no? Now, are we near to this number? कितना दूर है हम लोग ये नंबर से? 1271. इससे हम लोग कितना दूर है? Can we find out the difference? What is the difference that we are going to get? 91. अब आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? ये डिफरेंस is what percent of this 2950? बट ऑब्वियसली 10% से कम ही रहेगा ना अभी ये नंबर जो भी आएगा वो. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? हम लोग 1% फाइंड करेंगे. What is 1% of 2950? Can anyone tell me?
295.
कितना आएगा?
29.5.
Can I write this is almost equal to 30? अब
Yes.
30 में ऐसे क्या मल्टीप्लाई करोगे कि 91 के आसपास में जाके पहुंच जाओगे?
3.
मतलब मैं क्या फाइंड करूं? 3% of the number. And what is 3% of this number? Almost 90. मतलब ये डिफरेंस कवर हुआ किसके साथ कवर हुआ? 3% के साथ. So what will be our final answer? 40 plus 3
3%.
equal to 43.08%. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? सलोनी अभी समझा? Rajat, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Mrinmay, understood?
हाँ मैम समझा.
Okay. Now, will you people give try for second question and fourth question? At least try करो. नहीं आता तो we are going to solve it together. Okay? Solve it, people. I give you, let's say, 2 questions. अभी first session है बहुत से लोगों का. So I'll give you like 5 minutes for 2 questions. Normally इतना मैं नहीं दूंगी कभी. But ठीक है आज थोड़ा difficult भी जा रहे हैं ये calculations. So let's take 5 minutes. We'll check the answers at 5:32. Okay. So great, Rajat. I got the answers from you. Saloni, do you have any other commitment there? Normally it was supposed to be for 2 hours. If you have any other commitment, let me know. If you want me to end it early, just let me know. Okay. Let's see what's the answer. So question number 2, 783 is what percent of 1869? So we'll try to find 10% of 1869. Okay, what is 10%? That is 186.9, or else you can just write it as 187. Okay. Further, यहाँ पे सारे numbers 40% के range में दिख रहे हैं. So let's find 40% of this number. So 40% of 1869 will be 187 into 4. When we try to multiply, what do we get? 4 sevens are 28, 2, 34, 3, that is 784. Can we say हम लोग exact 40 पे पहुंच रहे हैं? Yes, people, can you tell me? What do you think? Will it be 40.6 or 41? Please unmute. Hello. अब यहाँ पे अगर आप देखते हो आपको नंबर क्या चाहिए था 783 और आपको क्या मिल रहा है 748. अभी भी थोड़ा पीछे हम लोग. कितना पीछे हम लोग? कितना डिफरेंस आ रहा है यहाँ पे? 83 और 48 कितना डिफरेंस है? 35 का डिफरेंस है, राइट? अभी 35 का डिफरेंस कवर करना है तो 1% के साथ काम करना पड़ेगा. व्हाट इज 1% ऑफ 1869? 18.6. यस, और एल्स हम लोग इसको 19 भी बोल सकते हैं. 1% 19 दे रहा है हमको. 35 तक पहुंचना मतलब 2% के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा ऑलमोस्ट. 41.9 will give me, it is approximately 42%. yes or no? So 2% अगर आप करते हो तो आप पहुंच जाओगे ये नंबर तक. दैट मीन्स आपका आंसर क्या रहेगा? दैट विल बी 41.9. वहां तक तो पहुंचना भी नहीं, 42 के आगे नहीं जाना आपको. व्हाई? बिकॉज यहाँ पे 18.6 को आपने 19 बनाया है. Are you people getting this?
Yes.
Okay, the next one. 459 is what percent of 685? So what could be done over here now? 459. Again work with 10% और सारे नंबर 60s के रेंज में ही दिख रहे हैं आपको, right? So over here let's find 10% of 685. कितना आएगा 10%?
68.5.
Yeah, that would be 68.5. So we have to find 60%. उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Just multiply this number by 6. When you try to multiply, what do you get? 0.48 plus 3, 51. 5, 36 plus 5 is 41. So 411. कितना पीछे हम लोग 459 से?
48.
48. अब हमको फाइंड करना है 48 कितना परसेंट है. So let's try with 1%. What is 1% of 685? 6.8. 6.8 में ऐसा क्या मल्टीप्लाई करूं कि मैं 48 के पास में पहुंच जाऊं? 8 मल्टीप्लाई करूं या 7? 8 मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी तो मैं एक्सीड करूंगी, राइट?
7.
Okay, so 7. 7 मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 56. Okay, 5 carry. And you will get over here as 40. Just a second, people. 47.6. Can we say exact पहुंच रहे हम लोग 48 के पास में? तो आपका आंसर 67.8 रहेगा या सिर्फ 67 रहेगा? Yes, people, tell me. 47.6 है और यहाँ पे 48 है हमारे पास. Will it be 67 or 67.8? Anyone? ये जो मिला है ना हमको 47.6, ये एग्जैक्ट 67 दे रहा है. हमको थोड़ा और ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा तभी जाके हमारा आंसर आएगा. सो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? ऑप्शन बी, विच इज 67.8%. Understood this, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Anyone, any doubt with this? Surely, आज सारे connect नहीं आएंगे answer. I agree. This is first day. This calculation, at least this sheet was a big sheet for you people. Don't worry. जैसे जैसे हम लोग loop में आएंगे, this calculations will become more easy for you people. Okay. Let me just go on to the next one. Saloni, do you want to leave, dear? Hello. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll just solve like 2 questions now, and then you people can leave. Okay, just solve 2 questions. Solve question number 5 and solve question number 7. Solve these 2 questions, or if you want, we'll solve it together. Chalo, let's solve it together. Question number 5. 78.3 upon 186. To remove the point, how should I write this? 783 upon 1860, right? Okay, tell me, क्या steps करें? सबसे पहले क्या find करें?
10%.
Okay, 10% कितना आएगा?
186.
186. 186 और options देखो सारे 40s में दिख रहे, तो क्या find करेंगे हम लोग?
40%.
40%, मतलब इसको into 4. Into 4 किया तो क्या आएगा? 24, 2, 34, 3. मतलब 744. हम लोग कितना दूर है 783 से? 40, सॉरी, कितना दूर है हम लोग यहाँ से? 39. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. अभी हमको फाइंड करना है 39 186 का 1860 का कितना परसेंट है, राइट? सो 1860 का 1% बताओ कितना आएगा?
18.6.
18.6. इसमें ऐसा क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें सो दैट हम लोग 39 के पास में पहुंचेंगे? 2. अगर 2 मल्टीप्लाई किया, so what is the number that we are going to get? 12, 1, that is 7, 3, that is नहीं, कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो गया. 12, 1, 17, 1, yeah, 37.2, right? और हमको कितना चाहिए था? 39. So what this is 2%. क्या लगता है आपको ऑप्शंस में से अगर आप देखा 44 तक जाने की जरूरत है या 42 point something आ जाएगा आपका आंसर?
2.something.
Yeah, so answer over here is 42%. Are you people getting this?
Yes.
Okay. Now I want next question. Someone please help me with this question. 987 is what percent of 263? Basically percent नहीं find करना है यहाँ पे आपको find करना है उसका value क्या है. But we can find percent also. Like जो भी आंसर आएगा ना परसेंट में अगर आप कैलकुलेट करते हो तो ये ऑप्शन आपका बन जाता है 375%, ये बनता है 359%, ये बनता है 393% और ये बनता है 332% और ये 361%. Who's going to help me? Upfrontly बोलो. Yes, tell me who's going to help me. No one? Come on, people. I'll wait for your answers. Tell me how to work.
%10% of 263.
अभी 10% नहीं करेंगे हम लोग. क्यों? क्योंकि ये 100 से भी ऊपर है हमारा आंसर. सो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? 100% of 263 क्या रहेगा? सेम नंबर.
Yes.
और आपके सारे आंसर 300 के रेंज में. सो हम लोग क्या फाइंड करेंगे अभी? 300% of 263. ये समझ में आ रहा है?
3. Yes.
या into 3 करेंगे तो 3 3s are 9, 18, 1 मतलब 789. तो 300% मतलब 789. अभी भी हम लोग काफी दूर है ना?
Yes.
Yes or no? कितना दूर है हम लोग अभी? 987 minus 789. कितना दूर है हम लोग अभी? 198. अब हमको क्या फाइंड करना है? 198 263 का कितना परसेंट है? अभी आपका नॉर्मल नंबर जैसा हो गया, जैसे आप नॉर्मली सॉल्व करते थे. सो नाउ वी विल फाइंड 10% of this number. What will be 10% of 263?
26.3.
That will be 26.3. इसमें क्या मल्टीप्लाई करूं सो दैट मैं 198 के आसपास में पहुंचूंगी? यहाँ पे 26 है और यहाँ पे 198 है, और यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 19 है. क्या मल्टीप्लाई, 9 मल्टीप्लाई करके देखो. Let's try to multiply 9. So 7, 2, 54 plus 2 is 56, 5, 18 plus 5 is 236. नहीं, ये काफी दूर हो गया ना.
7.
Okay, let's try to multiply by 7 then. Okay, if you multiply by 7, what do we get? 21, 2, 44, 4. That will be 184 point something something. Yes or no? मतलब ये 70% के आसपास जा रहा है आपका नंबर. यहाँ पे 300 आ गया था और यहाँ पे आपका आया 70. So can I say 370 something something is your answer? So कौन सा ऑप्शन आप मार्क करोगे यहाँ पे?
A.
A option. Understood everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so this was about the calculation. You can just copy down the next two questions. You can solve it at home if you want. I'll give you the answer. For question number 6, answer is option A. For question number 8, again, answer is option A. Okay, write down the two numbers, write down the answers. आपको भी समझ में आएगा आपका आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है answer. Okay, yeah. Anyone, any doubts with whatever we have taken? Just wanted to ask the people who have attended the session for the first time. Gaurav, though it's your second session, but this was your proper session. So, Gaurav, is my speed okay? Yeah, thoda और reduce करूँ.
No, ma'am, it's okay.
Okay, did you understand everything there?
Yes.
Okay. Any which ways, for you people, I'm also there on the group. If you have any doubts pertaining anything, you can anytime ping me on this number. My number is 9595945554 and my name is Pranita. Okay. So, yeah. Any doubts pertaining to anything related to your aptitude test or whatever doubts you have in topic or whatever it is, you can anytime ping me. Please don't call anytime. Rajat, I have already given the number. So अगर आपको बात भी करना है, because I have continuous session, just drop a message. I'll give you a call upfrontly. Okay, because when I'm in the session, I won't be able to entertain your doubts. Neither I will be able to entertain your calls. Okay. So by the end of the day, just after 9 o'clock, I can entertain your doubts, or might be I'll give you a call after 9. Okay. Anything urgent, you can just put it in the chat itself. If I feel that it's really urgent, I'll try to make it a point that I give you a call around your message only. Okay. Anything apart from this? Is the speed okay? Handwriting, I'm sorry people, I cannot help it. I'm working on a tab and a pen, so वो reflect होता है, बहुत difficult होता है. अगर ये board होता, chalk होता, तो बात अलग थी. But with this, you people have to, अगर नहीं समझ में आता, ask me. Okay, I'm always there to help you. Yeah. किसी के कोई doubts? And I'll be sharing the sheet with you people on the group. जो लोग group पे है, I'll be sharing it. जिनका admissions हो गया है, those people are there in the group. Rajat and Saloni, I don't think so. You two are there in the group. So just talk to Sohail sir and yeah, a quick feedback. Rajat and Saloni, can I get your quick feedback? Maybe you can put it on chat. I'm waiting for you. Was the session okay? Did you people understand? Did you people enjoy? Enjoy तो नहीं बोलते आएगा. But I'm pretty sure if I do LR, you people will really enjoy the sessions. I'll try to make it a point. Wednesday, I'll take a topic on LR. Okay. Yeah. So Darshan, have you practiced anything? Darshan, Gaurav, Brunei?
No.
Okay, then people, if you people have no doubts, then shall we end the session? Bye everyone. Take care. Stay safe. See you on Wednesday.